Paulinabiancamendiolamath from 4th year Archimedes, and I'm going to teach you about derivatives. A derivative is a measure of how a function changes as its input changes. The process in getting the derivative of a function is called differentiation. We can use the formula in getting the derivative as the limit of delta x approaches 0, f quantity x minus delta x minus function of x over delta x. We will use the example 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 as the limit of x as delta x approaches 0 as f of x minus delta x minus function of x over delta x. We're going to substitute the value of delta x minus delta x to x. So it will be 3 quantity x plus delta x squared minus 2 quantity x plus delta x plus 1 minus the function of x, which is 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 over delta x. We're going to use the FOIL method. So it will be 3 quantity x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 2x minus 2 delta x plus 1 minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 over delta x. We're going to use again the FOIL method here. So it will be 3x squared plus 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared minus 2x minus 2x 2 delta x plus 1 minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 over delta x. Then we're going to cancel this one, delta x and delta x in the square x 2x and then negative 2x and then the delta x and then the delta x and then the positive 1 and negative 1 and the positive 1. So we will be left with 6x plus 3 delta x minus 2. Since the value of delta x is equal to 0, we will substitute it to 3. So it will be 6x plus 3 times 0 minus 2. It will be 6x minus 2. So the derivative of 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 6x minus 2. We have a shorter method which is called the power rule. In power rule, for example, 3x squared minus 2x plus 1, we're going to multiply the exponent to its coefficient 3, and we're going to subtract 1 from its exponent. So it will be 6x minus, since we have an imaginary exponent here which is 1, we're going to multiply it. So 1 times 2 is 2. And then since this 1 is a constant, it will be equal to 0, which is the constant root. So 6x minus 2 is equal to this answer, which is also 6x minus 2. Thank you.